interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert. Levi's called Georgia Amber Alert. On April the 18th, AHMAUD Griffin, a 4-month-old black male, was abducted by Travis DIQUAIL Griffin, a 27-year-old black male, 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighing 137 pounds, and was last seen at 803 Davis Road, apartment 304 in Waynesboro, Georgia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of AHMAUD Griffin, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GPI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and or the Seen or Seen apps for iPhones and Android users.